Namaste and welcome to day 5. I'm so proud of you if you stuck it out this day. I know new habits are hard, so well done for sticking it out this long. It's the final part of this series and we're working on a cool down and a beautiful Shavasana, my favorite asana of it all. All I need you to do for this one is just keep your mind really calm and let the practice flow through you. That's all I require. So we're gonna start in butterfly or Baddha Konasana, which consists of getting both your feet together. Your heels touch, your toes come apart, and that's okay. And your knees fall out widely, okay? Depending on your body, some of your knees might be here. It's fine, it's normal, okay? If you have a yoga block, it's a great prop to use. I love using it even though I'm 12 years into my practice. Use it and see if you can bring it straight underneath your bum. When you sit on the block and keep your legs wide, it kind of assists. What I would then like you to do is actually slip off the edge of your block. You would have noticed my pelvis that is straight is now tilting forwards, and that will help you get deeper. I want your head to come down as close to the toes as you can and start noticing what's happening in your body. Because there's a bit of tension in your inner thighs. It's normal, everyone has it. The first thing we'll want to do is bring our shoulders up and push the earth away. But you can already see my body showing signs of tension. Instead, try and relax, soften. Today I want you to invoke softness, kindness, love, and presence back in. Bring your head as close to the legs as you can, to wherever is possible. Try and relax and soften into the pose for another 3, 2, and 1. Slowly, slowly, slowly slow down the process. Lengthen back up. Remove the block out. Okay. From here, I want you to actually straighten the left leg. Bring the right foot towards your inner thighs, and keep your spine again long. By nature, we've had lifetimes of sitting down, so we're like this. So lengthen up, reach up with your hands, and then reach forwards and grab hold of your toes. Those of you that are amazingly flexible, feel free to increase the flexibility, use the block, lengthen up and get it behind your foot as you pull your head down. You want to go a more natural way, you can even just grab the wrist and take it behind and around. Or those of us struggling, you just grab hold of the shin and pull your head down. Wherever is possible, you stay there. The key is staying, not anything else. Stay for another 3, 2, and 1. Slowly reach back up, lengthen your spine, your right hand behind your back. Draw a big semicircle with the left hand and push the hips up. Your hip joints and your rib cage, reach and stretch for another 2. And 1. Slowly descend the hips back to the earth. Take your right leg over and across. Spine is still long. Bend the left knee and sit tall as you can take this. Take the left hand, hook it around the knee. And if you find that the right knee is bending or you're leaning back, again, take the block, place it underneath your hand, lengthen and twist deeper. It's a beginner's version of the Ardha Matsyendriyasana, and remember the point of this pose is always to feel the twist in your belly. Twist as much as you can for another 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. We're doing the same thing on the other side. So this time you will extend your right leg out and bring the left foot towards your inner thighs, coming to Janu Shirasasana. Block, if you used it on the left, try it on the right. Inhale, you'll reach up, and exhale, you'll forward fold. Get really, really, really nice and deep. Lengthen your spine, relax the body, and sink as close to the kneecaps as you can. Trying to connect your knees to the forehead, just here for another 2, 1. Slowly look forwards, release the block out, or if you didn't use it, just don't worry. Take your left hand behind your spine. Big semicircle with the right hand. Push the hips up and over, arch the chest. Feel the lengthening from the tip toe all the way down to your last fingertip for another 2, and 1. Slowly squeeze in the belly as you descend the hips back down to the earth. Take your left leg over and across and bend the right knee. Remember to sit tall. We all hunch, including me. It's years of habit, so just remind yourself. Take the right hand over and twist. Remember, the yogi is not somebody that's always perfect or is a saint. We're somebody that keeps working at our imperfections no matter what, daily, bit by bit. Roll open the shoulders, twist a little bit deeper for another 2 and 1. Release all the way. Reach your legs back to the front of the mat. Take your hands parallel and slowly come down like a raindrop in slow motion, okay? Tightening your thighs, squeezing in the belly. We're coming down for 4, slowly. 3, 2, 1. Descend back to the earth. Take Ananda Balasana or a blissful baby. Grab hold of your toes, your knees come out. Keep the lower tailbone on the earth itself and gently just sway from side to side, giving the lower back a beautiful release. You see little children doing this pose all the time because it's that good for your body. Have fun with it, sway around, maybe fall a little bit. Just play, okay? For 2 and 1. Bring your feet down on the earth, your fingertips touching the base of your heels. You'll roll the shoulders underneath you and gently rise the hips up to the sky. Depending on your flexibility, maybe you'll be able to interlace the hands underneath and reach up. If you can't and your hands are still here, it's fine. Just giving you variations depending on your body's flexibility this morning. Lift and stretch. Your chest is moving towards your chin. Your toes are down. Don't lift the heels just for height. Keep them down. Root through the feet. Hold for another 2 and 1. Slowly descend back down to the earth. And we're coming into our final spinal twist. So extend the right leg. Squeeze the left knee towards your heart. We make choices either to just dangle the leg there or to consciously pull it in. You're using the tops of the thighs to massage into the organs on the right side, the kidney, the spleen, all of that. So roll open the shoulders, pull it in for another 2 and 1. Take the same knee over in the opposite direction, eyes on your right fingertips. Feeling the twist in the mid-spine. Don't let the right shoulder pop off and lean. Keep the right shoulder down. And if that's hard, just bend and take these cactus arms as you pull the right knee close to the floor for another 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back, other side, okay? Bend the left knee, relax the right thigh to the floor, roll open the shoulders, pull it in. You have to massage both sides, so squeeze it in as deeply as you can, just for another 2 and 1. Gently, right hand pulls that left knee over and across. Your gaze is on the left fingertips. Twist, find depth as much as you can. Pulling the knees as close to the floor, twisting a little bit deeper if it's available. Being kind yet firm with your body for 2 and 1. Slowly come back to the center. Give both your knees one last big hug, wrapping your hands around. If you can, lift the head up, neutralize your spine. Give your knees a quick kiss. And from there, release into a final Shavasana. Just let your body melt into the flow like a limp rag on a piece of fabric or on a chair rather. Relax the shoulders, let it all just go and melt into the flow. Seeking silence and letting your breath come back to its steady and quiet pace. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. I'm so proud of you for taking the time out of your life to spend it with yourself and with me. I hope this journey of yoga doesn't stop here. It's just the tip of the iceberg. Keep going and let the journey reveal what it's meant to for you. Thanks again, and I hope to see you again soon.